been a military kid with the ocean in my veins, Filipino Hawaiian roots under changing skies and rains. From inpatient halls to the quiet telecalls, I've held the weight of others while the water gently calls. I'm sailing, sailing away on the tide of the mind where the healers play. Paddle in the wind, foil on the blue. Doctah Rippah's free when the ocean pulls